For huge discounts, see images and coupons above. Say goodbye to dry, dull skin, wrinkles, acne, and more thanks to the most robust face cream around. Millions of people want to have hydrated, healthier, more youthful skin but turn to cheap products or dangerous chemicals. But a lot of chemicals could actually be doing more damage to your skin. Most lotions dry your skin out with alcohol and coat it with petrolatum products to make it feel soft, without actually helping the skin. That's why we've formulated this advanced Hydrating 16-in-1 face cream to nourish, repair, hydrate and rejuvenate your skin without the chemicals or cheap fillers. Ingredients your skin will love. We've combined a robust formula including aloe vera, coconut oil, cocoa butter, manuka honey, shea butter, blue-green algae, hemp seed oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, museum and plumeria. Our ingredients are shown to nourish with multiple sources of vitamin A, B, C and E, deeply moisturizer that lasts up to 12 hours. Boost collagen production, strengthen skin fibers. Restore your skin's natural protective barrier, reduce inflammation and puffiness, ease fine lines and wrinkles, prevent premature aging, boost healing and recovery, reduce scars and blemishes, fight acne, blemishes and breakouts, get softer, healthier, more youthful skin or your money back. As a family-owned company, results are everything to us. We take customer service and satisfaction quite seriously. That's why we have a love your skin or your money back 60-day money back guarantee. Buy now with confidence and see what nature can do for you. Get softer, smoother, healthier skin or your money back. The perfect face cream whether you have dull dry skin, oily acne-prone skin, aging and wrinkles. Get balanced, stronger, more youthful skin. Superfood for your skin. One of the most robust natural and organic day and night creams to feed your skin the vitamins, minerals, amino acids and enzymes it needs to look and feel its best. Get balanced skin tone, fight wrinkles and bring out your natural beauty. Ingredients your skin will love. Our natural facial moisturizer for dry skin is loaded with powerful ingredients to fight acne, wrinkles and more including aloe vera, manuka honey, cocoa butter, avocado oil, jojoba oil and olive oil. Perfect for men and women of all ages. Made for sensitive skin. Some moisturizer creams are loaded with hidden chemicals. Not this one. Proudly made in the USA, cruelty-free with no parabens, alcohol, fragrance, dyes or chemicals. Non-greasy, pH balanced to help oily acne-prone skin. Buy with confidence. We know how hard it is to find natural beauty care products that work, which is why we offer a love your skin or your money back 60-day guarantee. As a family-owned company with products made in the USA, we take customer satisfaction quite seriously. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.